Hi, I'm Jack from Crewe Volkswagen and I'm going to show you around this used vehicle.
This is the Audi Q3 S-Line, finished in the gorgeous glacier white metallic paintwork, and it features the 40 TFSI quattro engine producing 190 PS with the S Tronic automatic gearbox as well. The car benefits from a full Audi service history and will come with a minimum of 12 months warranty as well from ourselves. She'll have total peace of mind motoring. Just now for the front of the vehicle, you benefit from those LED headlights providing fantastic vision in all conditions. You also have these optionally fitted gorgeous 19-inch V-spoke alloy wheels that finish off the exterior perfectly, with power folding and heated ring mirrors to the side for extra convenience, as well as privacy guards from the B-pillar backwards. Just move into the boot area, you have an adjustable boot floor which is currently in its lowest setting, with split folding seats as well, so plenty of room for multiple large suitcases, golf clubs or any further luggage here. You also have the electric tailgate as well for ease of access, and you can also open that with the key fob. And just moving on to the interior, you've got these gorgeous part leather, part Alcantara seats, with nice fixed points on the outer seats and a centre armrest and a couple of cup holders to get your rear passengers comfortable. And just moving to the front of the vehicle, you've got your leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel, adjustable centre armrest and also lumbar support to keep you nice and comfortable on the road at all times. Just behind the wheel, you have the optionally fitted virtual cockpit plus. You've got your vital driving information and your sat-nav navigation maps as well. And then again, alongside the digital radio and multiple media functions such as your Bluetooth, you'll also benefit from the App Connect system, which gives you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to mirror apps from your smartphone directly onto the screen, such as Google Maps, Waze, Spotify and many more. We've got multiple driving modes available, the dynamic mode for more dynamic drive, and the ambient lighting pack as well. Loads of different colours to choose from, it really does transform the interior while driving at night. You'll have peace of mind whilst parking as well as front and rear parking sensors. You have the optionally fitted rear view camera. And a little bit further down the cabin, you've got dual zone climate control, and also optionally fitted winter pack giving you heated front seats, so perfect for those cold winter mornings. You also have the optionally fitted advanced key giving you keyless entry as well, and a gorgeous panoramic sunroof also optionally fitted to this vehicle.
For more information, give us a call on 01270 864 452 or inquire online now.